In this video, I'll show you how to fix sound not working in Neverness to Everness on PC. Follow these solutions one by one until your audio is working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Click on Hardware and Sound, then click on Sound. Make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Select your device and click Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Make sure your volume is not set to the lowest level. Solution 3. Go to the Advanced tab. Set the audio format to 48,000 Hz or 44/100 Hz. Also, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Solution 6. Go back and click Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and click Next. Wait for it to install. Step 7. Now restart your computer to apply the changes. Solution 8. Open Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Solution 9. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. If there's an update available, download and install it. Now launch Neverness to Everness and check if your sound is working. One of these solutions should fix the audio issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.